Hello everybody, my name is Manny, and today, even though my kitchen is being remodeled, I'm about to make a smoothie that I learned how to make in Vetri Cooking Lab.
Manny's the youngest of 3 children. He's 13 years old. He loves gaming. He loves science, geography. He's just a very bright and smart kid. Prior to this class, Manny had 0 interest in cooking. My husband, who does most of the cooking for us, he would invite him over, watch me cook, like you're gonna need to learn how to cook if you ever wanna live on your own. So he absolutely had 0 interest. And then after this class, he's just really been into it.
I feel a lot more confident in the kitchen after taking Vetri Cooking Lab because they taught me a lot about holding a knife and some recipes for some things that I would like to make. Right now, I'm currently peeling the skin off this ginger so that later I can cut it and put it inside of the smoothie. It's gonna be really good because of all the ingredients that I'm gonna add. Right now, I'm doing the rock and chop knife position. We use the rock and chop to get the pieces really small. Right now, I'm doing the bridge knife position. It's really good for cutting large objects. This orange smells really good.
One of the favorite things about the Vetri classes for Manny has been the educational portion of eating healthy, creating some meals that he had previously not eaten. It's been a fun experience for him.
This is the Green Dream smoothie.
I think it was very pleasant to know as a parent that Manny was able to learn something different other than just taking classes or gaming. He spends a lot of time gaming, which I don't really like. And this was actually something positive to do online, and it's something that I feel that will be impactful later for him in life.
Thank you.
This is really good.
It is
Really refreshing. How do you like it?
really good.
Yeah, I enjoy it.
I love it.
During the Vetri Cooking Lab class, Manny had a ton of fun. It was, he learned a lot, and he was just, I feel like it was very fruitful, pun intended.